Yeah, I'm Jeffrey, and I've been head of IT for a multinational company who's ranked in the top 20 in the world. Before we acquired Qlik, we were actually outsourcing our business analytics to one of the local providers. So they're providing us cubes, or all have cubes, and then the information is provided to us, and we just use Excel in order to transform the information in whatever format we wish. Before that, we are paying hundreds of thousands of pesos every month for this particular provider. Of course, we need to pay an additional or an extra every time we require information that is not pre-agreed. So it's costing us a lot of money. And we cannot do away with it because business analytics is a core requirement of the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmaceutical industry here in the Philippines, at least, is a very mature market. There are a lot of competition. Products can be replaced. There is a product substitution even when you go from the doctors to the pharmacies. So it's really important that we have a direct information as fast as we can regarding how our products are being moved, regarding our competition, and where we are in the market. It was cheaper. In the first year pa lang, break even na yung investment. Kasi you're paying hundreds of thousands of pesos per month. Number two, information is available on demand. We don't have to go through additional channels just for us to get the information that we require. Because you own the solution, when you require the information, all you need to do is go to a terminal provided to you by your information technology department, and then download the information. And if you wish to format it in the same or in another way that you wish to see it, using pivot tables in Excel or whatever, you can do it at your own pace. You don't have to pay an outsourced provider just to retransform the information or the data. The medreps. In the pharmaceutical industry, the way it works, the medreps are incentivized. They are paid a particular salary, and then they are being provided incentives based on their performance. And their performance is a lot of things, hindi lang sales, So it's about call volumes, it's about the number of doctors you meet every month, etc., etc. But most importantly, your territorial sales. Remember when I said information is available on demand. So if information is available, your medreps know where they are. They know if they're losing, they know if they're winning. They know the score. It's like playing basketball, right? You know if you are 2 marks or 2 points away from the opponent. So this time, every day that you wake up, all you need to do is gather the information given to you by your team leader, and exactly on that day, you know what is your score, how many sales you need to get in order for you to get that particular incentive. Or if you are already sure of an incentive because you're already on the 100 mark, you know how much more you can get. Kasi you can get more incentives if you get more than 100% mark. Everyone is more motivated to work if you know if your work is being valued. If you know where you are, what's your stand, where you are regarding your sales, where you are positioned, and how are you holding up against your competition. There are certain information regarding price points, for example, or positioning in the market. We rely heavily on information being provided. Information from the field as it is processed using QlikView. We don't decide just because of particular intuition or intuitive information. We don't do that. All information has to be from the field, especially because the competition is very tight. We need to make sure that our pricing is correct, our positioning is correct, and our supply chain is at par. We make sure that products are available whenever we want them to be and whenever the customer demands it. Number one, because of the price point. QlikView is in the mid-range. I wouldn't say it's cheap, but there are a lot other competitors that are a lot more expensive than QlikView. Number two is its ability to handle massive data. We're talking about massive data, especially if you're talking about the number of hours each medrep consumes per doctor, called volumes, for example. How many hours are medreps on the field? How many doctors did they contact, for example? Those are massive data. We're talking about hundreds or even thousands of medreps. QlikView is able to handle massive data quite impressively. So that's why we chose it.